Okay, start. Ooh. Attention, this game contains flashing lights, quick time events, jump scares. Oh, goody! The hell? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Black Rose. How to play. Your score will be based on close calls RG. By getting close to the enemies without letting them catch you. When your score starts increasing, the enemy thinks you're close, trying to get as close call as possible. Okay. Use your arrow keys, WSD and left shift. Alright, hold shift to run. Okay. Move the mouse to look around, left click to interact, tab to pause, space to ram doors that are jammed, okay. Alright then. Settings. Look sensitivity. I'm not playing this on full screen. Nope. Or should I? Nah, man, fuck it. Let's just go into this. Story mode. Oh shit, okay. 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 So where do I go? Can't just throw me into these shits without telling me where to go. Alright, this door's open. Restricted area. Nothing? Okay. Whoa. Pain and suffering has warped their bodies. Neat. Well, let me just check the sensitivity. Alright, that's not bad actually. Good. These footsteps. Oh, what the? Is someone else here? I don't know. Is someone else here? Hello? Hello? Anybody here? I don't like the walls. Look at these walls. Nope. I don't like the pattern. Oh my god, why am I playing this? Boss says not to go near Myrtle's coffin. Why won't the gravedigger bury it anyways? It's not like what Boss says is true. I mean, the dead can't really talk, can they? I don't know. You know, some of the dead, they don't really talk. They just make very annoying... What was that? just make very annoying and scary sounds. Sometimes they croak, sometimes they whisper. It's jammed, but I might be able to force it open. I would need to ram it, okay? Alright, I hold it. Don't do that. Ah, okay. There's a baby monitor here. Strange. Hey, you just picked it up. Oh god. Oh, that's locked. Good. I like locked doors. How long can I run? Let me see. How you doing? Hey. Who was that? Yeah, who was that? Who was that? Alright, so downstairs. I'm getting, not gonna lie, I'm getting a little bit of some tingling. Okay? A little bit of chills. Seriously. Oh. Can I crouch now? I am not gonna lie, I am getting my chills and everything. My brain is saying that I am fucking up here. Oh, what is this? Fireplace? Well, it looks like there's some secret stuff down there. Can't react. Can I close the doors? Okay, good. I can't close the doors. Who would want to do that anyways? Visitation room. I guess they were pretty serious about keeping this door shut. I wonder if the keys are around here. You know, we should just let locked doors be locked. Why would we want to open up mysterious doors? Where the hell are we anyways? By the way, this is a free game I found on Steam in the horror department. So if you guys want to try this out, then go right ahead. I mean, I'm not gonna stop you. Okay, so she said go downstairs. I'm going upstairs. Can I close the doors? Oh! I can close the doors, but who would want to close doors? Oh my god. Family room. The door is warped badly. I don't think it will get open. Okay. Oh god, I'm going downstairs. Chapel. What is this place? Is this a mansion? Okay, this is locked. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Come on. It's just the music. It's just the ambiance of things. Do you hear this? Are you hearing this? Oh my god, no. No, fuck that. Who is this crazy person who's doing this shit, huh? I'm taking it slow. God. Oh god. No. No. My danger sentence has never been higher than it has now. Okay, I see a note. I'm just exploring. Cause the first rules of any scary games is follow the notes. Cause the notes lead to scary shit. I'm just studying my environment just in case some shit pops down. I know where to go. Okay, so this is a um round, like it goes in a circle. Okay, where's the door? Just in case I need to book it. Alright, is this the door? Alright, let's go and see what that note is. Stop it with the fucking music! I swear, music in horror games is always the worst thing. Her eyes, don't look in the eyes. Don't look her in the eyes. Shit. So what's this gonna be? Oh Lord. Okay. I don't like this. The other baby monitor is down here. This is weird. I'm not sure I want to be here anymore. Something feels wrong. Really? Now you don't want to be here. Who are you? Who is this person? Why are they here? They couldn't at least come to this place with some friends in the daytime and with a gun. Well, I don't know if there's a gun in here or not. They better be. The other, okay. So what's that? What's that sticking out? Okay. So what, do I just grab the baby monitor? No. So do I just... What do I do? Do I grab that white thing that's sticking out? I'm pressing all the controls, just in case I'm missing anything. Nothing. Okay. No. Oh god. Is this... What's this? Slender Man? Some Slender Man-esque type shit? I'm not fucking with this. Why is this here? This is to fuck you up. You go to the wrong direction and BAM! Run right smack into the monster. I know you're kind. I know games like this so well. All these fucking traps and shit.
Don't go. Stay here with me.
Okay. Just... Alright, I'll stay as long as you don't kill me. But I'm a little hungry though, so maybe I'll go and grab some pizza for us, you know? I'll be back. I'll be back. What's going on? Come on. I'm scared to move now. I'm keeping my eyes right on this hallway. How is this door locked? I know it wasn't earlier. So it wants me to go up there. Okay, let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is she still coming? Oh my god! Oh my god! Please. Door locked. Still locked. Yo, so she gonna be chasing us? Did you see her smile? Did you see her smile? Nothing good ever comes from a smile like that. No. So I'm guessing I have infinite stamina. That's good. I love games that give me infinite stamina. So I guess we go down here. The chapel. Oh, now it's opened. That's never a good sign. Okay. We're going in. Oh! 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 What the fuck? No! 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 Please! Please! Oh my god! Oh my! No! 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 Fuck you! Fuck you! No! Fuck you! No! 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 Oh my god! Oh! Oh! No! Give me a minute, please. Give me a minute. Yo, that totally gave me chills. Not the ghost, but that shit, that reeling shit, that totally gave me chills all over. Oh man, it sucks. Okay, we're good. Just give me a sec. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. We're good. We're good now. Okay. Why did the phone have to ring while I was playing this game? That's not No, when I went into this room, she almost got me. Does she come back? If I'm in this room. Let me just sit in the corner just in case. No? Okay. Alright, so this will be my juking room. So what, do I go back down? I didn't really explore that place. Come on. Is it gonna happen again? Please. Okay. I'm getting chills now because I don't like this place. Come to a scary. Okay. I got my running button on. They stitched him back together. Oh my god. Alright, nothing here. So now what? Is that just the one jump scare? This door is warped, okay. Can't go back there. I already went over there. So I guess I go back down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait. Before I go back down, let me see. This door is locked. God damn it. Oh, so much for going in just one big circle. Please stop with the music. Every time it gets to this part of the music, I get chills up the ass, okay? And that rearing shit, no, I'm not fucking with that. That gets me so paralyzed. Just making sure if there's anything back here. No? Okay. So it wants me to go back down here. See, this is what I told you. I told you this bitch is going to get us. She is going to kill me. Why am I playing this? Guys. Please. 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 Okay, so I know it wants me to go back there to the coffin. I know it. I'm just looking around. Okay. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, a key. A shiny gold key in the coffin. Now, once I get out of this corner right here, I bet that this ghost is going to chase us. Let me prepare myself. Because once she pops out, the rearing thing is gonna start. I know it. Why don't I just take off my headphones? No, that wouldn't be fair. That wouldn't be fair at all. Get my running button on. You get that running button on. Pinky on the shift. Oh my god! Oh no! 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 Don't fuck up now! Don't fuck up now! Keep running! Keep running! Run! Please, don't you stop! Don't you stop! Stay right here. The chills! The chills! Are you still following me? Are you still following me? I can't. I can't. I can't. Okay. So what was the key for? What was the key for? The family room? No? Okay. All that panicking just made me lose, like, what was the key for? Is it to get out of this place? Because if it is, then that's the key that I would most gladly hold on to. Okay. Okay, same note. My God, why? Alright, maybe this room? No? Okay. Okay, I'm calm. I'm calm now. Just run. No. Do I go downstairs? Please don't let her pop up again. I can't handle this. Alright, we were just here. Nothing new. Yeah, nothing new. Do I go back downstairs? I hate being down there. Oh my God. Whoa, was that? Yeah, that was always open. Shit. Any new shit? Any new shit opened up down here? Stop it with this freaking music. Anything new in here? Oh, she got a nice bed. Well, not really, because this part's all nice and soft, and then the leg part's made of wood. No wonder she rose up, because they got some cheap coffins. Anything, come on. Anything. Oh, what was that? I hear whispers. I hear whispers. No. No, don't throw in any whispers, okay? There's only so much I can take. Close this door. Yeah. Anything. 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 You saw how she popped up like 3 times? Last time it was only 2 times. So I'm guessing the more I progress through the story, the more times she's gonna pop up. Which means the more likely she's going to fuck me up. What the hell? What is this key for? Huh. I've checked every door here. Stop it with the whispers. I am getting chills on the right side of my body. I'm getting half the chills. Half the chills. I'm on guard every single second that I move. So what the hell? Fucking open the doors! Is there a way to like check my inventory? No, that's... Okay. I think it said family room. The doors warped pretty badly. I don't think I'll be able to get it open. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Alright, now this is getting... Alright. This just went from scary to really boring. What the hell do I use this key for? I'm sorry, I heard a noise in my house. It's fine. I swear to God. What did I miss? Anything I missed? I'm just gonna be running around. We just run around, see if there's anything I missed at all. Any words, any paper. What did I miss? Did I miss anything in here? The baby monitor. Let me communicate with her. You know, I can reason with her. She just wants me to stay here. I mean, I can't stay here. I mean, I probably have a apartment or something in real life. But that's the real life. I mean, outside of this place. I have an apartment. Oh, I'm just rambling on. Shit. This can't do shit in here now. I got a key. And I can't use it. I think it said family room. But it says that the door is warped. How does it look how is it warped? It doesn't look warped. Wait, let me check something. The door's not warped. It looks perfectly fine. The door is warped pretty badly. I don't think I'll be able to get it open. That's why we have a key. Open the damn door. Pressing all the keys, just in case. Wait, something popped up. Oh no, that's FPS. Don't even know how that popped up, but okay. Alright, there's nothing here. I swear, if I don't find anything. Oh. Well, at least I'm getting a break from that ghost bitch. Oh shit. Don't do that. Mouse, don't you fucking do that again. Don't you fucking get out of control. Please. Use the key. Ram the shit. Alright, you know, I think this is where I end this. Black Rose, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it, cause I sure how did it. I don't know. I just don't know. This says the key says family room. If it's warped, that means it's wet, cause water warps wood, right? Which means that the wood should be wet, or at least weak enough to like kick in or something. Anyways, I'm ending it here. Black Rose. It was very, very intense and scary at the beginning. But now, after you get the golden key, everything just calms down and becomes a little bit boring. Not a little bit, really boring. Close the door! I don't know what to do. If you guys know what to do, then tell me in the comments, I guess. And if you want to see more of me getting scared shitless from this shit, then just like and subscribe. Yeah.